Want full control over your frequently bought together recommendations in WooCommerce? Whether you're pushing high-margin items or building smart bundles, custom product suggestions are your secret weapon. Let's walk through how to manually add custom FBT recommendations in just a few clicks, using the Frequently Bought Together for WooCommerce plugin by WebToffee. By default, FBT is displayed based on an algorithm that considers the purchase patterns of other customers who bought the same product. But what if you want to curate the perfect product combination? Let's say product A, B, and C perfectly go best with D, then why leave it to automation? Let's take charge. First up, from the dashboard, go to WooCommerce and Frequently Bought Together. Click Set Custom Suggestions. Hit the Add button. Select your main product for which you want to show the custom FBT products. And from here, choose one or more complementary products to be displayed as FBT products. You can also offer a discount when purchasing the selected product bundle. To do this, enable the discounts, choose a discount type. Let's go with percentage and set a value. And it's done. Click Save. That's it. You've now set up a custom frequently bought together bundle that overrides dynamic suggestions for this specific product. Whether you want to promote bestsellers, move slow stock, or simply create thoughtful combos, custom FBT is a powerful tool in your sales strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.